Hey, 4th and 5th graders. Fairly short video this week. Short music activity because I want you to spend most of the time on making sure that you are creating something. So, last week I asked you to start creating your own song and sending it to me. I've received a couple. I want you to work on that in this week. So it could be something, if you're in 5th grade and you started working on like your Mars National Anthem, whatever, that would be a really cool thing. What I would really encourage you to do, I know a lot of you are hearing a lot about what's going on in the world right now. It's a very upsetting time right now. We were dealing with this sickness, this virus, and so we've been away from school. We've been isolated. We've been on our own for like 2 months. And then the unfortunate death, the murder of George Floyd last week by police officers. A lot of you have been hearing about this, about the protests and riots that have been happening around the country. That people are really upset about the way that the police have been treating African Americans and particularly treating black men. And so, if you are feeling any sort of frustration over the isolation, about having to stay home and missing out on, the end of elementary school for 5th graders, missing out on seeing your friends, playing sports, doing all of those things, or if you're feeling frustrated or angry about what's going on in the news around protests and the fear of police brutality, I really encourage you to express it through music somehow. So for a lot of us that has meant listening to music. I've been listening to music, went for a walk today and just listened to music and kind of processed everything. So that's what I do, I think, inside my brain a lot, and I need time to do that, and you can take time to do that too. Listening to music is a good way to do that. I really encourage you to try and create something. So when you write a song, it can be just instruments, it can be just words, you can write a rap song. A good way to start writing a song is to write a poem and set it to music. And so I'm going to have a video the second half of this video I'm going to have, I said second half. There's going to be 2 more parts to this video. The first one, I'm going to show you some online tools for making a beat or making a song just like on the internet. If you don't want to use an instrument, or you can use your own instrument. Then after I get through that part, I'm going to have a video about how to post to Flipgrid. So you can use Flipgrid to show me your song, especially if it's a song that you just like sing. It's a really good way to show me. Or you can send me emails or send me on Canvas, whatever you come up with. So the other thing, there's one more thought. There's not going to be a Zoom music class this week at 11:30 because I am going to be at the car parade, which is starting at noon. We're going from the bus stop, like on the other side of school from Fred Meyer. We'll be going through the neighborhoods. We'll be going to the Pavilion Apartments. There's a whole ton of teachers and people who love you who are going to be doing a car parade, and I'm going to be one of them. So I'm going to be in my car waving to you, so we won't be having a class online. I hope I get to see lots of your faces. Create something. I think times like this, we depend on things like art and music more than ever. So create something. I'm here for you if you need me. I'll see you on Friday. Next, I'm going to show you how to use some online tools. I'll show you how to use Flipgrid. And yeah, besides that, I'm just going to assign a listening as well. Let me know if you need help or if you have any questions, okay? I'll see you all really soon. Bye. Okay, so here we are. This should be the page you're probably looking at right now. I am speaking right in this space. However, because I haven't made the video, it's not there yet. So this week, I want you to create your own music. I want you to create a song, document your song by writing it down, recording a video, or saving your work online. Here are a couple of tools. I'm going to show you how to use Chrome Music Lab and how to use Incredibox. Chrome Music Lab is one of my favorites. There's all sorts of apps on here. So this is done by like Google Chrome. And the song makers are a really good one to start with, where you can put different pitches. Higher up is obviously higher. You can have more than one at a time. Suggest you leave spaces in between, because if I do this, it doesn't sound very good when it comes all together. But then I can press play, and I can add more, I can do things, I can just, anything I feel like I can add in. I would probably not leave it like this. Maybe I'll restart, show you how I can do it. And I can add some. And I can even change what instruments it is, so it sounds like different instruments. And I can play around with that, and if you make a song, you can save it, and then you'll get a link to send to me that you can send me in an email. I've gotten a couple people who've done that so far. Yes, I'm sure. I'm going to go back. You can also, this one's a fun one, you can play around with just making a beat, and you can have it do this, you can change the instruments up a little bit, and see what it sounds like. I'll do this. So that one's fun to play with too. If I go back to my page, I'm also going to show you how to do Incredibox. So that was Chrome Music Lab. Incredibox. Okay, actually, I started doing one with Incredibox and it didn't save, and now the website's working for me. But I encourage you to try the Incredibox app. The different people you click on, you can create different beats, and you guys are smart, you'll figure it out. It's really fun. It'd actually be really fun to make a beat on there and rap over it. Alright, now I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to show you how Flipgrid works. Okay, so if you're on my Canvas page, which is pretty easy to find, you should all know where it is by now. You probably are watching this from it. So, on the main page, there, underneath this picture, this cartoon, it says, I would love to hear from you all. Send me an email at my email, or add to my Flipgrid here. So if I click where it says Flipgrid, it's going to give me this. I'm going to press login with Google. I'm going to use the same account I would use to log into Clever to get onto iReady. And it should take me here. If I see this, it says, say hello to Miss Thompson. You can make a video to say hi to me. Or you can click on the bar where it says, say hello to Miss Thompson, and there's a drop-down menu. You can go either to 4th grade or 5th grade, depending which grade you're in. So if I click on the 5th grade one, I click on this plus sign, so there's a green circle with a white plus sign, and it takes me to my camera. So you need a device with a camera to be able to use Flipgrid. There is an app for phones. You can do it on there, or tablets, or Chromebooks. Chromebooks, you can do it online like I'm doing right now. And if I press record, then I have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record my video. So I have to have made up my song already, and then I can sing a song. Hey, 5th graders, I'm really gonna miss you when you go off to middle school. I hope you have enjoyed this year in all its weirdness, and I think that you're really cool. So I press pause. There's the end of my song. Made it up on the spot. I review it. I can take a picture to go with it. I need to snap this. I'm going to change my display name on there. I'm going to ask you to keep yours your same. Here's my song. And I press submit. And anyone who goes to the grid now will see my video. And then as we add, you'll see more people's videos too.